Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Econos. I'm going to walk you through how to export exams on your Kosmos system. Exporting your work is simple, and Kosmos gives you several options to best suit your workflow. First, I'll show you how to export your exams to a USB device. I'm using an iPad, so I'm going to disconnect the cable from the USB-C port. I can now connect my USB-C drive to the port here. Next, from the home screen of the Kosmos app, I'm going to tap Exams. You can export one or multiple exams at once by selecting and holding the exam name icon. You're going to see a check mark appear when you have selected an exam. Then, tap the USB icon in the upper right-hand corner. You'll be able to choose the file type. If you'd like to include a report and patient information, you can select More Options and make those selections. Once you are ready, hit OK. Select the USB-C drive on the System dialog box and click Save. If you would like to export specific images from a single exam, from the exams list, tap the exam name. Select the specific images you'd like to export. Tap the USB Export button and choose Only Selected Images and Clips. For either export method, a green check mark will appear in the archival column, letting you know the system exported the exam successfully. Let's review how to export to a PACS system or cloud storage solution. DICOM and modality worklists are standard on Kosmos. Additionally, these can be set to integrate with a cloud storage or reporting solution, like Tricify or Us2AI. You can access DICOM configuration and profiles in the Settings tab. To add a DICOM profile, from the home screen, tap Settings, then tap DICOM. To add a PACS archive profile, tap PACS Archive, then Add Profile. You can work with your IT department to get the information you need to populate these fields. The key elements required for setup are the station AE title, server IP address, server AE title, and the server port number. It's important that the PACS or modality worklist servers are on the same Wi-Fi network as your Kosmos device. We recommend pinging the server to verify the connection before continuing setup. Creating a profile nickname can help you remember the connected PACS destinations, especially if you have multiple destinations. Select the DICOM files type for video clips here, and select the archival options in this section. We recommend attaching the DICOM SR report for more comprehensive reporting. Auto Archive allows you to automatically send completed exams to PACS upon exam completion, daily or weekly. You can customize the retry intervals and set a maximum number of attempts for failed transmissions in these sections. Remember to save your PACS profile after configuration. To delete a PACS profile, simply hold and slide left to reveal the delete icon, then tap Delete and OK to confirm your choice. Remember to protect patient confidentiality when exporting data. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at econos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.